All right, so pressure testing the cooling system. Pumped her up to 16 PSI. So the cap is, we are just, it is bleeding off. We're just about 15.5 now. Of course, first thing right off the bat, we are leaking right here at the upper hose. I also don't like, whoever cut this did not, you know, I get it. They're trying to get it to fit in here, but it's not too correct the mundo there. So that's leaking. You can see where we are leaking a little bit here. The water pump, like we discussed earlier. If I want to dig into that anyway. It's wet around the bolt down there. We already discussed replacing those hoses anyway. I just want to really make sure we didn't have any leaks here in the expansion tank, which we do not, or the radiator, which it looks like we do not have either. So we'll just do hoses, I think. Gary, I think we're going to be okay. We'll put fresh hoses and water pump and call it a day. Not too shabby.